All right, so in this video, we're going to solve some Wassce questions. And these are some of the questions that comes in a compulsory. And so the question before us is, we have to simplify this, as you can see on your screen. And so first of all, we need to change the mixed fractions to improper fraction. So 2 times 37 is 74 plus 1 is 75 divided by 2. Divided by 5 on 9 of, for now, let's still maintain this. Then we have 80 times 3, giving us 240 plus 1, which is 241 divided by 3. And in questions like this, we need to apply BODMAS, which says bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we need to now work on the bracket. So to work on a bracket, the LCM is 35. 7 and 5, the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 7 into 35 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And 5 into 35 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. And so I just want to take it step by step, okay, so that you can easily understand. So this gives me 27 over 35. So now we need to apply the off. Isn't it? So we are finished with the bracket. We need to move on to the off. And off in mathematics simply means multiplication. So we turn the off to multiplication. We are 27 over 35 minus 241 over 3. And so you realize that 5 will go into step 1 and go into 35, 7. And 9 will go into step 1 and go into 27, 3. So we'll be having 75 divided by 2 divided by 1 times 3 is 3. And over 7 minus 241 over 3. So we now come to division. So we need to apply the division. So we have 75 divided by 2. We change the division to multiplication. Then we reciprocate. So it becomes 7 over 3. So now we need to now deal with the multiplication now. Okay. And to deal with the multiplication, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 25. And so we'll be having 25 times 7, giving us 175, divided by 2, then minus 241, divided by 3. And so we find LCM, which is 6. 2 into 6 is 3, and 3 times 175 gives us 525, minus 3 into 6 is 2, and 2 times 241 gives us 482. And so when we subtract, we're going to have 43. So we have 43 divided by 6, which we can choose to change it to mixed fraction, which is 74 number 1 divided by 6. Okay. All right, let's take another question. In the same past question. All right, so for this question, which is also a past question, we have to factorize. So we have to factorize this. So if you look at it from here, all the way here, it's a quadratic trinomial. And this one is type 1 factorization. This one is type 3 factorization, which is quadratic trinomial. And this one is common factors. and you are combining it as a question. So what we need to do is to solve the quadratic trinomial, which we know this is it. So we have two numbers. Two numbers, if you multiply, you get 3. But if you add, you get 4. So you realize that those two numbers will be x plus 3 and x plus 1. Then, to factorize this, we see that m is common to both. So we pick m out. We are left with x plus 3. So now you see that the same s plus 3 is here. So what we need to do is to pick that s plus 3 out. We factor it out. Then we are left with x plus 1 plus m. Okay, and that's all. So this is the type of question that comes in the compulsory, and students ought to familiarize themselves with it. Okay.